Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Titan, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first, from the driver's side, we'll go down. You should see a release lever right here. That's right here, so we'll pull that, and that releases the safety, so now we can go front to open. If this is just real loose, maybe double check this cable's still attached. If that cable's not attached, you might have issues. But we'll go up front now, and you should see the hood slightly loose now, so you can fit your fingers in here. So there's a lever right here. So we'll push and lift. So push and lift. Fortunately, it's got these nice little hydraulics that are hopefully working right to hold the hood up. This is what that little lever looked like. I was pushing. So double check no debris in here that needs cleaned up. Nothing bent or broken. If it's sticking a lot, maybe try some WD-40 to loosen it. There's where it's hooked onto. And then I would double check too that your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could also cause issues. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a good day.